A creator who made the universe big to say something about himself and is the soul of the universe, is none other than God. In seeking God, you discover He is now, here, and everywhere, in every heart, in every breath, in every thought, and in every pulse of the universe. Let's have a look on His wonderful creation. Nature is considered to be God's territory. It is where we feel an awareness of truth and sense of closeness to that of field of energy which created all that is. All these marvels of nature are glimpses of His divine power and expressions of His love. Dear friends, I love to think of nature as an unlimited broadcasting station through which God speaks to us if we only tune in. Nothing is more calming than connecting with God through nature. His beautiful creations, gifts, and blessings we should never take for granted but enjoy. The most beautiful creation of God is our soul and ability to look within ourselves and experience that soul. Everything that we can see, hear, and touch was created. If we experience that soul within our being, then we experience God and truth and eternal nature of all that exists. Our parents, which is pure love of God, came to earth as God cannot be everywhere to take care, so that created parents. Our parents are the visible God. A parent's love far beyond circumstances and feelings. It sees past flaws and imperfections. So, parents are one of the gifts of love sent by God. Our teachers, who are the source of light in the darkness. God created the Guru, who is a beacon of light, dispelling darkness of ignorance. The beautiful creation makes us to connect the intellectual source and shows correct path to lead our life with comfort. Our friends. God had created our friends to give a helping hand when we are in need. They are the special people, carry a God's pure love in all our hearts. Above all, each and every individual is wonderfully made by Creator. We are not an accident. Our parents may not have planned us, but God did. He wanted us alive and created us for a purpose. What can we give return to this unconditional love of God? The best way to show gratitude to God is to be obedient and show love to our fellow humans, regardless of social status, nationality, race, gender, creed, color, language, heritage, faith, or anything else. Recognize that we are all connected and help ourselves and help others. This is the gift we can give it back to our Creator. So let's make this world as a paradise with the love of God. Thank you.